Alright, I just woke up. My uncle is coming to pick my mom and my dad and I up, and we're going to the fresh market in Kolymbari. It's called the Laiki. Let's go check it out. I'm here at Haridimos Apartments right now. It's a beautiful hotel. The mountains are in the background. I also haven't drunk my morning coffee yet. Let's see if my uncle is willing to stop for me, but I doubt it. He's very Cretan, and when he wants something, he just he doesn't let anything stop him, so we'll see. All right, he just arrived. Let's see how much he's gonna tease me for having the camera. Canis. Delay. Τίποτα.
Καλώς το μπάρμπα.
Thank you. Busy?
He was telling us how at this open market they don't have as much as others because all the people here grow their own fruits and vegetables. Everyone has their own gardens and stuff. So we'll see, because every Greek open market I've ever been to has been amazing. Packed with vegetables, fruits, everything. So.
Now, is that okay?
Yeah, my mom got a Kolymbari. Can I see? Which is a traditional bread ring from Thessaloniki, but they have it everywhere in Greece, and it's got sesame seeds. You gotta get it in the morning though, because it's fresh. The homemade. It's like bread with sesame. It's nothing crazy, but it's cheap. It's usually 50 cents. They're good. So my uncle wasn't satisfied with his parking spot, so he went back. We're gonna wait for him at the entrance to the market. Here it looks like there's a bunch of cloves and stuff. We'll get to the good stuff, the fruits and vegetables, in a bit. They're having a conversation about the fresh okra right now. They're buying a lot. It's in season right now. Look at that. Check out these tomatoes. Beautiful. Here we have zucchini, beans, fresh eggs, tiny little baby zucchini. Look at these. Fresh apricots, cherry tomatoes. Look at these beets. Put the greens on top. These are super delicious and healthy. Peppers, snails, spinach. Look at this spinach. This is crazy. So these people are really nice. They let me film all of their vegetables and fruits. Look at this. This place is packed. Kalimera, τι κάνετε? Oh, I gotta show you this. There's the zucchini flowers that they picked this morning. You can stuff them with rice and herbs. Oh. And there's my crazy uncle. Alright, let's show you the these are zucchini flowers that they pick and stuff. Alright, my mom just found some watermelons. Check these out.
Compared to my hand. Compared to my hand, the size of this watermelon. Never seen
They're
them
massive.
before.
They're absolutely massive.
Oh my gosh, how beautiful.
Look at these eggplants. Beautiful.
Look, George. Yorgo.
Bunch of garlic. Look at these heirloom tomatoes. Look at these heirloom tomatoes. Fresh cheese. Kalimera. Look at these cheeses. Alright, we're buying half a kilo of feta. Look at this feta. Alright, I just started smelling an insane aroma, and it's all of these herbs. Look at these fresh herbs from the mountain. Look at this. This is thyme, fresh thyme. This is fresh oregano. Mountain tea. Picked wild from the mountain. This is my favorite. This is olive tapenade.
Look at these.
It's from Amphissa.
Where's that?
Alright, we're leaving the market now. Everyone was super friendly. They just wanted us to try everything, and everything is so local here, fresh. And yeah, this is Crete. This is a Cretan market. This one wasn't very big, like he said, but it was crazy, as you could see.